there's ever a tool that I find myself reaching for all the time, or a lot of time anyway, it's got to be the router plane. Yeah, I got an electric one, as I'm sure most people do, but I rarely use it. I really don't like using it. It's messy, it's loud. Most of the time I find myself reaching for my little router plane that I bought on Amazon. But as I've used it more, I've figured out, it has its limitations. If I got to reach, out to the side any farther than, I don't know, 2 inches, it doesn't do very good. So I decided, you know what, I think maybe I need to get a bigger one. So I started looking on Amazon. But then I decided, you know what, we make stuff. I might as well make it, and I can make it as big as I want. So that's what I'm going to do. This isn't a how-to video. This is just a video to let you know, if you need a tool, make the damn thing. I mean, why not? Like I said, you can make it however you want. You can make it as fancy or as simple as you want. The one here that I'm making, just some oak that I had. I just cut out some shape. I didn't even pre-plan it. The only thing that I needed it to be is long. This way I can reach, way out there. But this can be done in a day. I took 2 days because new job and school. But you can do this in a day, and it'll work just fine. Learn to sharpen by hand without a jig. It'll save you time and you'll learn a new skill. This is the part where I demonstrate why I decided to make this other router plane. As you can see, it's a little cumbersome trying to work on a large piece. But as you can see here, this thing will do the job very easy. Yeah, I know it's, bigger than big, but I dig it, and that's all that matters. As you can see here, it does the job pretty easy here. I mean, no matter how far I am out, it doesn't lose its balance. The only thing I need to do now is probably sharpen it a little bit better and maybe adjust the wedge so it fits a little bit better. Other than that, rock and roll.